Hey guys, welcome back to Sharon's Nail Boutique. If you're new here and have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do so by clicking that bell and hitting the notification so you can be reminded every time I upload. Welcome to a unboxing Amazon nail drill video. This is by BT Art Box, and this drill, guys, is amazing. I absolutely love it. As far as shipping, I would say 5 out of 5 stars. I got the Prime delivery, which I pay for every month. So yes, this is what the drill looks like on the outside of the box. I just show you all over the box. There's some instructions and just some little facts about, please excuse my hideous nails. Sorry about that. I have to do them very soon. But anyways, so yes, there is something really bad that happened to me over the weekend. I actually had a client on Friday and my drill just up and broke. Just shit the bed. And yeah, so to make it all worse, I had a client then and I had a client that I had canceled on Sunday. So that being said, I hopped right onto Prime and ordered a 2-day delivery. And I received this on Sunday morning. So these are the voltage, the output, the rate of speed, 0 RPMs to 30,000 RPM, which is awesome. Obviously, this is the twist lock mechanism. So it shows you turn clockwise to lock it and then counterclockwise to unlock it. So this just shows you all the things that, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. So that's awesome. So I'm just going to open the box. And like I said, as far as delivery, 5 out of 5 stars because, well, not 5 out of 5 stars, 4.5 because they actually delivered it to my neighbor instead of me. Good thing I was actually tracking it. So as you can see, when you open the box, you get this card that shows you have the 12-month free extended warranty. All you have to do is email them at btartbox@126.com and you register your product there and you get the 1-year warranty. So I will definitely be doing that as soon as I have a chance. So that's great. And then these are the directions that go with the piece itself. And this just shows you all the places to plug in the wires, what it comes with, how to plug in the foot pedal, where to put the handpiece when you're done using it, stuff like that. So because I already know how to use these, I'm just kind of showing the directions for you guys more so. But this is just shows you how to like take apart and clean the handpiece if you need to, how to take out a bit, how to put it in, so how to properly hold it, all that. So, and then it tells you a little bit about safety, why it's important to do these things. So actually, I think that's actually a plus because a lot of times these drills, they come with like one sheet of directions and it's very, very minimum. So I like that this came with like a book of directions because that lets me know, you know, the quality is a little better on this drill. I actually paid $60 for this drill with free shipping. I pay $12.99 a month for it, so it's not exactly free. It also came with these 6 bits, 5 bits and a mandrel bit, and then it comes with 2 of fine, 2 of medium, 2 of coarse grit sanding bands. Now, me personally, I don't use these, so I end up having a lot of them. You should never go over your client's natural nail with a mandrel bit. That's for acrylics only, and it actually says that in the direction. So you guys don't have to take my word for it. You'll see it on everything when it shows you. You shouldn't be doing that on the natural nail. Moving on, this is the adapter piece that plugs into the wall unit, American plug. I think this actually came from a US seller, so I didn't really have to worry much about the plug choices. So I just undo that and I plug it into the side of my nail desk and I will plug that in. I think this actually plugs into the bottom of the actual unit. So the cord was actually a nice length. There's plenty of room for me to wrap it around the side of my table. So I would say the length on it is probably like a good 5 feet. So that's pretty good for an adapter, especially for a desk drill. And I'm just putting this on here so I could show you how good it works when we get ready to use it. This is the foot pedal, and I undo this and I'll plug that in just to show you how good it works. And I really like that this foot pedal in particular seemed to be a little more durable than my last desk drill one. I mean, it's still a flimsy plastic one, but it's definitely more durable than my last one. Here is the handpiece, super cute. I'm not a big fan of the coiled cords, but it is what it is. I needed something fast, so I do like the fact though that I could put my drill bits in the top of this. See, there's 6 holes there. That's for the drill bits to sit in. That line right here in the front, that's the power button, so you'll know it's on by that. That shows you your unlock. So I'm sorry, I was wrong. So it is clockwise to unlock. Okay, and this is your standard 3/32 shank drill bits. So I put my manual bit in here, put it all the way down till it can't go no more, and then you lock it back by turning it counterclockwise. Unlock it clockwise, lock it counterclockwise. So really cool. Now it's not going anywhere. I really like how small the handpiece felt. Okay, that doesn't go there or there. So, in the back. Nice. So I really like that it has this spot too for the handpiece to sit in. That's really cute. I like that. Because I'm not a big fan of those plastic ones that go, the like purple cheap plastic set thing that it sits in. I have one, but I never liked them, so it didn't come with one actually. I had one that came with my last one, so but it did come with that bag of sanding bands and this container of 6 diamond bits. The diamond bits are more for like manicures. They're very I say a lot because I always lose my train of thought. That's what happens when you get old. It's good for manicures because it's not rough on the nail plate as much as the sanding bands or the carbide bits. These aren't going to remove layers of nail. They're just going to get the dead skin. So I'm plugging in the foot pedal there. And then the motor hand piece has a 2-prong unit, which I've never seen before. And that goes here, right next to it. So where it says motor, I think my phone is having a hard time focusing because I have it kind of zoomed in a little. So I really like this unit. It has a forward and reverse for right-handed or left-handed users. Obviously, I'd be using it in forward because I'm right-handed. This goes from 0 all the way to 30,000 RPMs, and you can control it just from that dial. It goes really smooth, too. Okay, I'm realizing that the power button is not lit up, so I fix my cord and then I come back. Just making sure everything's plugged in properly and it's got power running through it. Oh, there it goes. Now it's on. So now that that's lit up, I'm going to show you with the foot pedal. Okay, so I wanted you guys to hear this. So this is 3,000. This is me turning up little by little. Listen to it. You see that? So I really like how smooth it sounds. It's not loud. It doesn't seem to overheat or jump on the nail. So there's a lot of pluses to this drill. It really is a great drill. I honestly, and let me show you. This is with the mandrel bit. So I'm using the foot pedal right now. Just look at how easy. Now, as you can see, this is a mandrel bit with the sanding band. You seen all that stuff fly off the nail? That's what happens every time you go over a natural nail plate with a sanding band. That's how much stuff, how much natural nail is coming off the nail. So just so you guys have like an example of what actually comes off. So I'm going to switch this to my Volcano safety bit in the fine grit, because I really wanted to see how well it worked with the regular carbide bits. Now, this is just amazing. Obviously, I've already used it. So now watch this. OMG. Just OMG. Look at how quick. Now, even with my desktop hanging one, it didn't seem to work as good as this one. And it's so smooth. It works so smooth, guys. I had no problems using this drill whatsoever. And obviously this is a fine grit Volcano bit, so it's going to take a little more to get all this stuff off. But I really wanted to zoom in here and show you guys exactly what I meant. I mean, just look at how easy. It's such a smooth handpiece, such a smooth working drill. I love it. I would give it 4.5 out of 5 stars, and that's only because they delivered it to my neighbor instead of me. But as far as how good the drill works, I would give it 5 out of 5 stars. I didn't have any issues using this. None at all. It was super smooth and easy to use. It didn't overheat. It didn't jump on the nail tip. It was really good. And then I'll show you just using it without the foot pedal too. So as soon as you switch, it stops itself. And then when you mess with the dial, it'll go back. So I took out the foot pedal. And once it stopped, I just shifted the dial and then it turned back on. So that's a good safety mechanism that's in there built in. So that's good. And it doesn't take me much to get the rest of this stuff off. Just look at how simple. And then I'll show you guys how easy it is to cut through and reshape the tip too. So I'm turning it up so I could get more off faster. So I turned it up to 20,000 RPMs. I had it on 10,000. So watch this. This is at 20,000. This isn't even up all the way. Clearly with this machine, you're not going to need it up all the way to do nails. I mean, that would be for like extreme thickness, like debulking, but you probably would never have to use it on 30,000 RPMs. I think this is fast enough, honestly. Look at that. Look at how quick and amazing it cuts through to the glitter, and it's just awesome. I really, really enjoyed using this nail, and this unboxing video turned out to be a great drill. I'm happy that it came in the 2 days it said it would. It was more like a day and a half. And yeah, that's all I could really say. The comfortability is 5 out of 5. The delivery is 4.5 out of 5. Overheating is nothing. Vibration, nothing. It is very easy and comfortable to use. It cuts right through. Look at this. And this is a practice tip, guys. You know how thick these are. Like nothing. Like butter. It cuts through it like butter. And I will go back over this nail tip with my mandrel bit just to show you how good those work too. And to show you actually, to prove what it actually will do to the surface of a nail. So nice. This stuff came off so easily. I'm ecstatic with this because, you know, typically in the nail world, you need to spend a good amount of money on stuff to get good quality. Now, $60 is a fair amount of money, but for a nail drill, most of us know that that's pretty cheap. And it works so good. I just can't find anything bad to say about it. Honestly, I can't. Even with the shaping up the side of the nail, it worked really nicely. It didn't jump or skip. I like the color. And I've heard good things about BT Art Box before. So let me know what you guys think about this drill in the comments below. Let me know if you guys have a drill. What was your first drill and how did it work for you? Like, how would you rate it and where did you get it from? Other than that, if you'd like to see some more unboxing videos, because I'm actually really digging doing these videos, guys. So I was actually thinking about doing maybe a polygel kit next or something different, maybe a stamping kit. I don't know. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the comments below. If you want to see me do a polygel kit or a stamping kit review next. Either way, just let me know, and I'll know that you watched this whole video by responding to that question, guys. So please don't let me down. That all being said, I'm just going to finish this video off with showing you how my mandrel bit works on the nail, and just to give you an idea of what it actually does to the surface of this tip. And that'll give you an idea of what it does to the nail plate itself. Now, you see how people go around the cuticle, right? And you see all that stuff already coming off. And then they go like that, and they do it several times. And you see all that stuff like flying off? That literally happens when you do it to the natural nail plate too. And then people go like that, back and forth real fast. I see it all the time on here. So yes, it removes the shine, but you could do that just as easily with the hand file. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, definitely do so. There's lots in the works for this channel. I love you all so much. Thank you for coming back and watching this video and showing your love and support, guys. Until my next one, I will see you later, guys. Bye.